Meaning of fragmentation grenade.
Fragmentation grenade.
Fragmentation grenade.
Fragmentation grenade.
Fragmentation grenade. A fragmentation grenade is a type of hand grenade that is designed to explode and release shrapnel or fragments upon detonation, causing widespread damage and injury. The shrapnel can consist of metal, plastic, or even dirt, and can be propelled in all directions. The purpose of a fragmentation grenade is to neutralize enemy targets and personnel within a specific area. In summary, a fragmentation grenade is a powerful explosive weapon that causes extensive harm by projecting fragments or shrapnel outward in a wide blast radius.